Today I have two chairs with me, the Virgo Transform Prime High Back Mesh Office chair and another one that I got from a local shop nearby. You might already know from the title what this video is about, but let me tell you why I made it. Hi, I am Harsh Wagwani and today I'll show you the difference between a branded ergonomic chair and a non-branded local chair. Let's see how both compare in terms of quality, comfort and service. Let's start with the mesh quality. As you can see in our Virgo Transform Prime chair, the mesh is fitted really well from the sides and the mesh is actually thick and better in quality. Here you can see the mesh is loose. The mesh comes out from other cheap quality chairs. From here the mesh is very loose and the quality is not that great and strong. You can see the headrest is very loose and it's shaking a lot. But in the Virgo Transform Prime, if you see, the headrest will be adjusted very well according to the pressure you apply, like this. Both the headrests have two adjustments, 1D and 2D. For the adjustments and features, we will talk about it later. As you can see the finishing of the overall back, and if you compare, the finishing of the Transform Prime chair is really nice. Now this chair we have been using in the office since a long time now, but जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि फिनिशिंग जो है काफ़ी बढ़िया है ये वाले चेयर की, और जो इसकी फिनिशिंग है we will attach the images also. From some areas it is not really great and there are some patches as well. So this was about the build quality of the mesh and the back. So as you can see in the Virgo Transform Prime mesh chair, the armrest padding is the PU padding. It's a soft bedding and our armrest is made up of really high quality. The features and the axis of the armrest, the ease of using the height adjustment is very smooth in this armlet, as you can see. While in other armrests, many of the times we have seen when you apply some amount of pressure, it goes down by itself. Even after applying a little amount of pressure, it goes down. Mainly it is a hard padding, as you can see. It is a hard padding and even there are some scratches and holes as well. So this is not of good quality. While I would also like to highlight that in Virgo Transform series we have two variants, Classic and Prime. The Classic one competes with these kind of chairs and the Prime one has the PU padding and multi-lock feature, and other specifications are different as well. In the seating, the overall back and build quality is different as well. We will talk about it later. But the padding, as you can see, it is harder in the local chair and in our Prime chair it is softer and the ease of the armrest is very smooth. Now let's talk about the seat and the fabric quality and the foam mainly. I'd like to inform you, जो फोम होता है सीट का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि हम मेनली सीट पर ही बैठते हैं काफी टाइम, और सीट जो होता है उसका डेंसिटी, क्वालिटी, ये सब काफी मैटर करता है. ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट जो फैब्रिक हमने यूज किया है कंपेयर टू द अदर चेयर, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एज यू कैन सी इन द ट्रांसफॉर्म प्राइम चेयर, the fabric which we have used is very smooth. As you can see, I'm applying on it because sometimes we also sit on the chair while wearing 3/4 or shorts, so skin का direct connection होता है seat के साथ. So it is very important that it is hygienic and good for the body. Accordingly, we have used a breathable seat fabric. But as you can see in this local chair, the seat quality is very hard. The fabric quality, I mean, it's a local craft material, but it's a soft material. In the fabrics also, you will find a different kind of materials in the market. So similarly at Virgo, we ensure that we use right sort of materials in making of our products. So as you can see, this is the very hard material. Now if we talk about the foam is really soft and it's a 50 density foam. It's a high density molded foam and it will take your shape while sitting on it. it will not get compressed after using it for maybe a year or 2 or even 3 years, as we are giving 3 years on-site warranty on the product. I will also explain about the warranty a little bit later in this video. But as you can see, if we highlight this area is a hollow area. So when you sit on the chair, you might be inside ply of the seat. It is very important that the density of the foam should be great and nice, because otherwise you will feel the ply inside the seat. Now in the chair, there is a very important component which is gas lift. In all the Virgo chairs, we use Class 4 BIVMA certified gas lift, which ensures smooth height adjustment. As you can see, the height adjustment is very smooth in the chair. But many of the other local chair, they don't use the Class 4 gas lift. They use the Class 1 or no class gas lift, which does not ensure the smooth gas lift, smooth height. As you can see, I'm not even able to adjust the height of the chair. Or maybe it is not very smooth as compared to the Transform Prime chair. And at times, if the gas lift is not of good quality, by time it will have leakage issues. The oil will come out from that gas lift, and the height adjustment will not work also after some time, after a couple of months or a year. Now, it is very important to have a strong wheelbase in the chair. As you can see in the Virgo Transform Prime chair, it is a heavy duty metal base. In this chair also, in the local chair, it is a heavy duty metal base, because the base is very important in the chair. As you can see in the listings also, हमने weight bearing capacity update किया हुआ है. This we get from the reports and from the suppliers from where we buy the base. Of course, in India, nobody makes the complete chair in house. Many few companies does, but it is next to impossible or very difficult to make each and every part of the chair in house. So in chair, it is very important to have the right vendors and right manufacturers on board with the company. So at Virgo, we ensure that we use each component or each fabric quality from the right source partner, and we do the double quality check of each and everything. Even in the base component, like I mentioned, sometimes we do have faced some issues, but by time we have improved it. The wheels which we use in our chairs are 60 mm silent wheels, and that are made up of very good quality and basically nylon wheels. It is very smooth. As you can see, it will not give you any issues. Whereas as you can see in the other chair, it is not bowing very smooth. The overall chair feels heavy because the overall build quality of the base and the wheels are not as good as our Prime chair. Now, I also like to talk about the mechanism. In this local chair, you can see the overall chair firstly looks small, so there is a size reduced when making. There is just a single lock. You can only lock it at one position. Even after locking at one position, the chair angle is like this. When I am in a resting position, the chair angle is like this. And when I want to work at 90 degree, as you can see, मुझे मेरे body को आगे push करना होगा, right? But whereas the chair angle has to be different. I'll just quickly show you our Virgo Transform Prime chair now. Firstly, in our Virgo Transform Prime chair, there is a multi-lock mechanism, which means you can lock it at 90 degree and at different 3 angles. As you can see, the angle of the chair is way better in our chair because the mechanism quality again matters. So in the chair, as I said, we have to ensure that we source the raw material, the parts from the right vendors, and then we install the chair or we assemble the chair in house, and hence you get the right angle of the chair. As you can see, I am getting the right back support, right neck support, and the proper arm support. But in the other chair, I was not able to get that. I have locked the chair at 90 degree. Now if I unlock it and go back, I can lock it at this angle also. As you can see, the chair is at locked at different angle now, and this is the resting mode. But if I want to work, I come back and lock this as this angle. As you can see, I am getting a much better better posture, much better angle, because at the end of the day I will be buying a chair to work, so you need to ensure that you get the right angle. Now we will talk about a very important part which is not visible in the chair, but it is a very important part in the chair, and it decides the durability of the chair as well and your comfort as well. So as you can see in our Prime chair, there is a waterfall design seat. In this chair, in the seat, we have used the hard pressed bent ply to ensure that it is durable and of high quality. I'll first explain you how the seat is made. First there is a ply, then there are holes being made with the T-nuts where you can actually fix the screws and everything. Then there is a fabric which comes on top of it. Then the mechanism gets fixed. Some companies send you the mechanism fixed with the seat, but some send you just the seat and the mechanism you need to fit. So why I'm giving you all these details is very important, so that you understand what is inside the seat also and what are the materials used in the chairs basically. So there is a ply, then on top of it there is a glue, and top of it there is a foam. Foam means the molded foam which we have used, for which I have already explained earlier. Now on top of that there is a fabric which is stitched with the machine. The karigar basically does the overall stitching of the fabric, and then we cover it on top of the seat. So this is a hard pressed bent ply. As you can see, is a very strong ply जो कि एक मशीन में जाता है, फिर वो बेंड होता है. That is tested and that is sourced from Kolkata, and that is the origin source of the ply, and it is a very good quality ply. Otherwise these companies use a straight ply. As you can see, this seat is straight, but this is not. There is a bend. There is a bend. There is no bend. This is a straight ply. This is a straight ply, and this is not of good quality, because at times why other companies or the local players are able to sell it at very cheap price, the ply, the foam are not quality tested. They have just sourced it locally or from somewhere else in a bulk quantity at a very low price and just have used it. So to reduce the prices of the product, they will have to reduce the quality. But we at Virgo, we don't want to do that, hence our prices are a bit higher compared to the market, but at the same time we ensure that we offer a really good quality and a high quality product at affordable prices. This is where the biggest difference comes. When you buy a local chair, there's usually no warranty, no customer support and no replacement. But at Virgo, we provide 3-year to 5-year warranty depending upon the category, 15-day resolution guarantee, and that is an on-site guarantee. You don't have to go anywhere. 30-day trial policy when you buy on our own website. So before buying your next chair, don't just think about the price, think about long-term value. A cheap chair may cost less today, but a good ergonomic chair like the Virgo Transform Prime saves your posture and gives real comfort for years. So choose wisely, because your comfort and health matters the most. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. You can check out the full range of Virgo ergonomic chairs on virgo.online. Link in the description below. Thank you. See you in the next one.